Hello and welcome to the official Cricket Cart's YouTube channel. I'm Noah, and today we'll be showing you how to replace the Kingpin on the SX3. The first step you're going to take is to remove one of the wheels. Begin by loosening the 3 bolts on the tire. To loosen these bolts, you will be needing a 6mm Allen socket. We recommend using a ratchet wrench, or a sufficiently powerful drill. Once the bolts are sufficiently loosened, jack up the cart so that the wheel that you are trying to remove is off the ground. After removing these bolts, carefully remove the wheel and set it aside. Now that the Kingpin is exposed, loosen the grease nipple, preferably with a pair of pliers or gloves. Using the 1/2-inch socket, remove the locking nut from the bottom of the Kingpin. After removing the nut, grab from the top and pull right out. If it does not immediately come out, you can use a screwdriver or any long tool to push it out from the bottom. If it is still stuck, gently tap the tool with a hammer in order to push it out of the top. Now that the Kingpin is removed, pull the steering mount out of the way. From here, you'll have to remove the 2 Kingpin sleeves from the top and bottom of the frame. Now take the new Kingpin and ensure that you have all of the pieces. Take the new Kingpin assembly apart and keep the new pieces where you will remember them. Now insert the 2 new Kingpin sleeves. Then slide the steering mount back into place. This may take a little bit of work, so take your time. Be sure that the holes are lined up. Once they are, you can slide the new Kingpin into place. Then, loosely screw on the new nut to the bottom before using the 1/2-inch socket to tighten it down. Finally, screw in the grease nipple. Now that the new Kingpin has been placed, you may use a grease gun or any grease applicator to apply grease to the entire assembly. After wiping away the excess and replacing the wheel, the task is complete, and now you're ready to drive. To learn more or to find a Cricket Cart dealer near you, check us out at cricketcarts.com. Like and subscribe, and thanks for stopping by.